While we focus on making our careers succeed, there might be times when we think about what our retirement might look like. Maybe write a book, improve our golf handicap, even be a champagne connoisseur. Or perhaps, like me, travel the world. Research conducted by Moneyfarm has shown that travel is the #1 retirement ambition for people aged 35 plus. The same research also showed that it's easy to put off investing in our retirement until it's too late. Almost half of those surveyed said they had no idea what it would cost, and a third of those are not saving for retirement at all. Moneyfarm's research has identified a midlife opportunity for 45-year-olds with cash windfalls from inheritance, property, or work bonuses. So how can we make the most of this midlife opportunity? As travelling the world is the most popular retirement goal, how can you make that pension pot stretch as far as possible? Well, here are a few of my top travel tips to help make that happen. First off, make the most of your newfound freedom and travel out of peak periods. You'll really notice the savings. A good example is the Caribbean. Traditionally a winter destination, but try it in summer. It's the rainy season, but that's just a short shower, while temperatures are still lovely and it's much less crowded. Tip 2, always take the path least travelled. Avoid the tourist hotspots by choosing a base nearby. Amalfi is stunning, but instead go to the Cilento coast next door. Same beauty, but far less busy and a fraction of the cost. The same goes for the south of France. Avoid the busy Riviera and consider the Languedoc instead. Beautiful natural beaches and great food. Trust me, it'll be a lot friendlier on your pocket without compromising on excitement. And thirdly, let the train take the strain. Interrailing, traditionally the domain of cash-stretched students, becomes an open ticket to Europe for retirees. One price and adventures throughout Europe, from Portugal's Atlantic coast to Turkey's Asian border. You could even do it in style and go first class. In the USA, Amtrak has a similar scheme that stretches into parts of Canada as well. Traveling the world can be a hugely rewarding experience, and if you make the right financial decisions now, it'll make this goal a lot easier to achieve. We've spoken about the midlife opportunity that, if handled with care, can help you make the most out of your retirement. Moneyfarm's research estimates that a retirement trip around the world would cost slightly over £22,000. If you're in your mid-40s and looking to retire at 66, you only need to contribute £60 a month to your pension. So whether you're planning a river cruise down the Ganges or boarding the Orient Express from Platform 4 here at St Pancras, have the confidence to plan for your retirement and be reassured your goals are attainable. I hope that watching this video has inspired you to maximise your retirement planning. So for more information, head to moneyfarm.com/UK.